enough with this. Okay. This, it says, twist, twist. Second, this blows. Well, I'm gonna run straight in. Okay, ready, set, go.
You actually...
Whoa! Yo, no way! So fun!
You have to clean it up. Oh.
Oh my god!
Clean every single piece.
Let's see what's in here.
There's actually... Is that even legal?
It's what I'm saying. That's insane.
You're cleaning all...
Is this even legal?
You're cleaning all of this up.
Crap. Let's see what's inside this thing. Okay. Should have bought 2 of these.
Yeah, you should have.
When it popped, it's like, how was that? Now we know. Get these at Party City. Things are amazing.
Be terrible. I'm just kidding.
They surprisingly work.
They're not let you. It's just...
What in the world is this?
A gun, that's what it is. They're very legal.
So legal, right?
It's very legal.
Very legal.
Wow, this is the most legal
Shout
thing
out
I've
to
ever-
you, Party City. And this is very legal. It was literally... And this is not sponsored because... What in the name of heck is this? What is that?
Well,
Alright, that was a garbage can. But, anyways, this... I gotta say, this was pretty cool.
oh gosh.
It was pretty cool. Anyways, now we gotta clean it up. So, bye-bye.